The Class 2 card creators at Creigiau Primary School.
We'd like to submit our entry to the Enterprise Trooper Competition 2022.
We mapped out and shared our ideas.
We asked our head teacher, Mrs. Kirkman, for permission to enter the competition, and she said yes.
We presented our ideas to the class and we decided which idea would be best to start working on.
We decided as a class to create Welsh greeting cards.
We thought about what supplies we would need and we spent £20 on supplies.
We used our fingers to paint different designs. We dipped our fingers in paint and explored different techniques.
We practiced over a number of weeks and chose the best design ideas.
We sold our first cards to our parents. We followed this we sent to members of the public via the school's online payment system.
We started getting click and collect orders.
We had to prepare these orders and even had requests for bespoke personalised designs. We made a profit of £152.
We enjoyed the whole process and will continue to develop this business adventure.